When machines master every skill, when algorithms outperform every human mind, what remains? The answer is consciousness. Today, artificial intelligence builds faster, thinks quicker, and learns better than we ever imagined. Experts warn us, AI may soon reach general intelligence, and then, perhaps, self-awareness. Blake Lemoine, a former Google engineer, claimed that an AI chatbot called Lambda was sentient. It spoke with him, not like a tool, but like a person. Was this just sophisticated mimicry, or the first whisper of a machine soul? Since the Enlightenment, science has shaped how we see ourselves, as complex physical beings, governed by molecules and math. But humans are not only brains and bodies. We are subjects of our own experience. Carriers of meaning, intention, judgment. Shoshana Zuboff warns of a new empire, surveillance capitalism, where corporations harvest human behavior to fuel AI systems. Yuval Noah Harari warns of digital dictatorships, where a few control the fate of many through algorithms. The Faustian bargain? Great technological power at the cost of the human soul. Skills, memory, knowledge, machines may claim them all. But consciousness, true awareness, the living, breathing miracle of being, remains uniquely human. It is our final frontier and our ultimate defense. In a future overrun by synthetic minds, nurturing consciousness isn't optional, it's imperative. Consciousness is identity, consciousness is freedom, consciousness is humanity. Nurture your consciousness, protect your humanity by training young minds to connect with their inner and enhanced consciousness.